All right. Hello. Happy Sunday, everyone. I'm recording this third video for mainly to delve into neck strengthening for those who feel like um, their necks are weak. Okay, so during the past two videos, we delved into how to stretch if you have any limitations. So to stretch backwards if you're having problems with looking up, to stretch sideways this way if you have problems with bring your neck down to your shoulder, and to stretch in rotation if you have problems with looking over your shoulder using the towel. So if you want to look those videos up, just go to the very first one, which is for stretching. And the second video was for initial strengthening, doing cervical isometrics, pushing forward, pushing back, pushing sideways, both sides, and turning. All right. And as well as chin tucks to strengthen the deep neck muscles. So let's work on advanced strengthening today. And I have here a green band to match my outfit. So the green band has moderate resistance. Um, Initially, you're just doing light resistance, right? Using your fingers or your hand, but we're going to use resistance bands today. And of this is the brand is TheraBand, and I know that this is moderate, but the lightest resistance band for this brand is color yellow, and then after that is red, and then green. So I have green. I also have blue at home. And you should start with yellow so you don't put too much resistance too fast, too soon to hurt your neck. Because if you put too much, it could hurt your neck. So let's start off with flexion. Okay. So flexion is bending your head forward. Okay. And you could hold the band. Okay. And then just do that. Okay. Make sure you have good posture. And what I could suggest is just do 10 to begin with. Okay. And as you get stronger, you could do two sets of 10. You could do 20. Okay. So in Tagalog, ang una po nating malaman na matutunan na ehersisyo para lumakas po ang liig natin lalo ay ang tumungo gamit ang band, na resistance band. Okay? Para po siyang isang lastiko. So, elastic po siya. So, gawin niyo po ng mga 10 beses. Okay? 10 beses. At pag medyo okay na po yung 10 beses, hindi po siya masyadong uh, too much. Hindi po siya sobra masyado. Di gawin niyo pong 20 beses. Okay? Sa Bisaya, kung itong unang mahibalaan nga exercise karong adlaw kay gamit ang resistance band para mo samot pa og kabaskog ang atong mga liog. Okay? Uh, Pinani siya. Okay? Sulayan lang ninyo mga pulo ka beses, pulo ka buok, then kung makusgan na, himuon ninyong 20 or 30. Okay? Okay, that's called neck flexion. The second is neck extension. Okay? And you could do this way, or this way. Okay? So, with everything, just try 10 times. And as you get stronger, do 20 times and even 30. Okay? Sa Tagalog, sa susunod po nating malalaman or matutunan na exercise or ehersisyo ay neck extension. Okay? Gamit po ang resistance band. Pwede pong ganyan or ganito. Kung ano lang po ang komportable. Okay? Ganun din po, 10 beses at kung kaya po ng 20 o 30, gawin niyo po. Basta po, huwag masakit. In Bisaya, ang ikaduha nga exercise nga atong tun-an ay neck extension. Yun-ani or ingon-ani? Dayon, dili ninyo sobraan, dapat mga ulo lang usa, tapos kung pwede na, walay sakit, himuon ninyo nga 20 or 30 beses. Okay? The next exercise we're going to learn is lateral flexion. Okay? Okay? And then you also do it on the other side. Same thing. Start with 10 times. All right? There shouldn't be any pain. And if 10 times is good, then you move it up to twice as much, maybe 20 or even 30, as long as you don't feel any pain, maybe some soreness, but no pain. Okay? Sa Tagalog, ang susunod na ehersisyo na matutunan natin ay ang lateral flexion, lateral neck flexion. Ganito. Okay? At sa kabila naman po. Ganun din. Okay. Alright? Sa umpisa po ay 10 din po ang gagawin nyo, 10 beses. Pag kaya pong gawin nyo, doblehin nyo ng 20, basta wala pong sakit, okay po yun. At pwede din pong mag-increase tayo na 30 po. Okay? 30. Okay. Sa Visaya, lateral neck flexion, ang tawag ani nga exercise. Okay? Okay? Then sa pikas pod, okay? All right. So, magsugod mo mga pulo ka beses. No? Subunin yung pulo ka buok. Tapos, kung kaya ninyo nga sobrahan pa, himuon ninyong 20 o 30, basta walay sakit, pwede kaayo. Okay? Ang sunod kay rotation. Okay? Mas better, it's much better without glasses. So it's not in your way. Okay? So you can do this way. Okay? Or you can do it this way. Whichever one you could feel the most resistance. And whichever one you're comfortable with. Okay? And then the other side. Okay? All right. And as usual, you would start with 10 and you can always go up to 20 or 30 once or twice a day to your tolerance. Okay? That's for us to build muscle, for you to build muscle and endurance and tolerance to exercise. And make sure there's no pain. If there is some discomfort that's acceptable, you might get sore even, that's fine too, okay? As long as there is no real pain and none of the symptoms like numbness or tingling. Okay? Sa Tagalog po, ang susunod po ay neck rotation, ang pangalan. Or pwede din pong ganito. Okay? Okay, tapos sa kabila din po, umpisa nyo lang po ng 10 beses. At kung pwede din pong doblehin o triplehin. Pag kaya po ng 20 or 30 beses or 20 or 30 beses. Gawin nyo po yan. Basta po walang sakit. Pag hindi nyo po maramdaman yung mga kamay, may mga numbness, or para pong pins and needles, tingling, parang tinutusok na karayom po, tingling po yun. Pag gumagawa kayo ng mga exercise na to, pag kahit po 10 lang yung gagawin nyo, tapos ganito na yung mararamdaman nyo, wag na lang po munang i-increase. Wag nyo lang po munang sobrahan sa 10 hanggang yung mga symptoms nyo po ay nasa-subside, basta wala na po masyado kayong nararamdamang mga numbness or tingling. Okay? Gawin nyo na po siguro 10 beses, 2 beses sa isang araw, ganun. At kung patuloy po yan, kailangan na po natin ng magpatingin sa doktor. Okay, sa Bisaya, neck rotation or murag mutanaw mo sa inyong abaga or sa likod sa inyong abaga. Okay? Or ingon aniwon, pwede pod, ingon ani. Og sa pikas pod. Okay? Inana lang. So magsugod gihapon og pulo ka buok. Tapos kung ano siya, dili siya sakit, tapos murag wala na kay challenge, kaay di na lisod, inyo na siyang doblihon or triplihon. So mga 20 o 30 ka buok na inyong himuon sa kaadlaw or tapos pwede po kaduha sa usa ka adlaw. Okay, basta wala siya mga kanang numbness, kanang muramog dili makabati, wala may kanang feeling sa inyong mga fingers, sa inyong mga tudlo or sa mga abaga, sa inyong mga arms, basta wala ingon ana or kanang pins and needles, tingling kanang mura mo gito panuslok sa mga dagom, muna siya tingling or pins and needles. Basta wala yung mga ingon ana. Kung naagali ingon ana og inyong sobrahan sa pulo ka buok, ayaw na lang usa. Hinay-hinay lang, pulo lang usa or kanang usa lang sa usa lang sa usa ka adlaw or kung pwede duha sa usa ka adlaw tapos walay mga numbness or tingling o wala po yung mga sakit, mga musamot ang sakit o himuon niya ang exercise, di kaduha sa usa ka adlaw. Hinay-hinay lang ang pag-increase sa inyong repetitions. Okay, pero og naanay mga numbness or tingling, siguro magpatanaw ang tag-doktor no kay basin naanay mga ugat, mga nerves na kanang na involved. Okay, so now we go to the 5th exercise. Okay, so the 5th exercise is called chin tucks with resistance. And you did this without resistance in the previous video. And now you do the chin tucks this way. Okay. All right. So this is not the same as neck extension where you're looking up. Okay. So this is just tucking. Okay. Same movement with resistance as the previous video. All right. Still doing it 10 times. Okay. And still doing pain-free range of motion. You don't want to exaggerate, okay, when it hurts. Stay within pain-free range, okay? Don't go beyond the point of pain, okay? Start with 10 times as well, and double or triple it to your tolerance, and you can even make it twice a day, 20 times, 30 times, twice a day, okay? And then in Tagalog. So sa Tagalog, chintax po ang pangalan nitong exercise na to. Okay? Huwag niyo pong sobrahan masyado. Okay? Komportable lang po dapat tayo. Dapat po walang sakit. Okay? Pag pagod po, hanggang 10 lang po muna. Pagkakayanin po gawing 10, 2 beses sa isang araw, o 20 or 30, 2 beses sa isang araw. At ganun po. Pagka masakit po, back off. Huwag niyo pong sobrahan masyado. Basta okay lang po yung soreness. Parang sumakit lang yung muscle, pero hindi talaga yung pain na gaya ng dati nararamdaman niyo. In Bisaya, you need, mag-English na sana ako. Okay, sa Bisaya, pangalan ani nga exercise, ikalima nga exercise, chin tucks. Okay, chin tucks. So pulo gihapon kabuok inyong himuon. Pag kaya nga i-increase ninyo nga, doblehin ninyo, dobleho ninyo o 20 o 30 ka buok, himua siya, tapos mga usa o duha ka higayon sa usa ka adlaw. So ingnan na siya, basta wala mo increase nga sakit, increase nga kanang numbness o tingling. Okay, so those are the top 5 neck specific strengthening exercises. So do all the exercises in moderation, okay? Too much of anything is never good. So do what you can tolerate and increase to your tolerance. Don't try to go too fast, because what will happen is then you would hurt, you would have increased numbness, tingling, whatever other symptoms you have, then you won't want to do any exercises. Then you've defeated the purpose. Make sure to still observe good posture all the time, and still do your stretches, okay? And the other thing that I would like to tell you is that I mentioned the different colors of resistance bands. So with this band, the brand is TheraBand. I don't know if it shows here, but it's TheraBand, THERABAND. I'm not endorsing TheraBand, but it's just the brand that I'm used to. There are other brands that you can use, like Can-Do. I think that's the brand. There's even here in the US, there are brands, bands made by Reebok, even New Balance. So you can do those. Just find which one is the least resistance that you can start with. And then if you're able to do 20 or 30 repetitions of each exercise without any problems, except for a little bit of soreness, not even any soreness, then you can go to the next color of resistance band. So you just gradually progress the level of resistance that you can tolerate. So for this brand, like I said, yellow is the least, then red, then green, then blue. And by the time you get to blue, you're pretty much set. You don't even have to go to black or silver unless you really want to have a big muscular neck. But you should be good. In Tagalog, pag kaya niyo na po yung dilaw na kulay na resistance band, tapos gumagawa na po kayo na 20 or 30 beses sa sa isang araw at 2 beses sa isang araw minsan. Tapos walang sakit, walang numbness, walang tingling. Panahon na po na mag-increase po kayo ng resistance. Iba't iba po ang mga brand ng resistance bands, pero ito lang po ang alam ko na anong mga kulay ang susunod. So sa TheraBand brand, yellow po or dilaw na una, tapos pula, tapos po berde, tapos po asul. Pero may iba pong mga brand siguro na pwede niyo pong matagpuan dyan sa Pilipinas or saan panig man kayo ng mundo. Tapos, pwede nyo na pong gawin ang mga exercise na yan kahit anong kulay. Basta po, wag niyo po masyadong bilisan ang pag-progress, ang pag-advance. Wag po kayo maabante ng kulay ng band kung masakit po. Bisaya, pagkaya na gali maghimo og ani nga mga exercise sa yellow kung kaninga brand nga TheraBand, pwede na mag-advante o ma-advance sa sunod nga mas strong nga kuan resistance band. Pula ang sunod sa ani nga brand, sunod kay green or verde, tapos sulod kay blue or asul. Okay? So, basta wala lang sakit, di lang ninyo pugson kung sakit gyud kay o sige gyapog sakit, naagyapoy numbness or tingling doon sa pamanggani. So wala yun mo progress na nakita. Then panahon na siya nga kanang muadto na gid mo og doktor. Okay? So, ang mora ni akong i-inform sa inyo karon, itudlo sa inyo karon. Hamubo ra ni siya nga video. Sa sunod nga video nato para inanay bitaw ang inyong pagkuan, progress sa inyong therapy program or exercise program. Tudluan na muna ako og mga exercise nga pwede sa kaning abaga, okay, sa abaga o sa thoracic area, thoracic spine, like you learned sa pinakauna na ako video. Okay? So, bye for now and God bless. Till next time. See you. Bye-bye.